So hey guys, and in today's video I have an unboxing from CUBELELO. So yeah, let's start. So in here should be the XMAN Bell V2 Pira and YUHU V2 Mega and also a brand new mat. Okay, so as you can see in here I have the new mat YUHU V2 MEGAMINX and Bell V2 Pira Minx, and yeah, I got a 5% off gift card. But yeah, before unboxing these cubes, I'm going to just check this out, the mat. So I ordered the rainbow mat, which is a pretty good looking mat, and my cheap one was pretty dead, so I wanted a new one. Oh wow! And here, so the current Pyraminx I have is the TMS, and this Pyraminx is not for me, but I'm just going to unbox it. Oh, wow, the packaging is really clean. You get that tool, the Pyraminx, and some pamphlet, I guess. And yeah, let's move on to first one. It's kind of stable and it has like a soft feeling, but it feels really different from my TMS. It's still really fast and looks really cool. And yeah, I'm just going to do one solve on it. So don't judge me, I'm really bad at Pyraminx. Yes, and I didn't scramble the tips for some reason. Okay. 1053, pretty average. Let's check corner cutting. It has spring noise. So this is the MS. MS actually has really terrible corner cutting, like not that bad but still. And overall this is a pretty good looking Pyraminx, like it's a really good looking Pyraminx. So this is the timer, 10.53. Next up we have the MEGAMINX, and yeah, there is this shiny box which I got with the YUHU. So this is the box in which YJ gives all their budget cubes, and yeah, so let's open this up. For some reason the cheap flash stacking mat thing is on this box. And yeah, it's pretty basic packaging, not too good, not too bad. Okay. So here is the MEGAMINX. As you can see, it's pretty good looking, and yeah, the size is pretty nice. Like comparing it to this really terrible MEGAMINX, the YUHU WRM, which is super small and just is really bad. As you can see, I'm like having a tough time turning it. Whereas this is a really good looking and turning Pyraminx. Yeah, overall a pretty nice MEGAMINX, and people say like it's the best budget MEGAMINX. And before the Dian MEGAMINX, people said that this is the best MEGAMINX on the market right now. And yeah, this is a pretty good MEGAMINX. So I'm just going to give you a short review on the XMAN Bell Pyraminx V2, I think, in this video. And yeah, that's it I guess for the video, and thank you guys for watching, and bye. This was a really short and small unboxing, but hope you guys enjoyed.